Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to invite a ghost to your house. First, select a calm and undisturbed time, ideally after midnight, to begin your invitation. Make certain your home environment is peaceful and feels open to visitors. Designate a particular spot, perhaps a quiet room or a corner, where you hope to make contact. This initial preparation is crucial for setting the right atmosphere for your spirit. Next, consider your method of invitation. You can simply speak aloud, addressing any spirits present and clearly expressing your desire for them to join you. Alternatively, some people use tools like a Ouija board or a pendulum to facilitate more direct communication. Placing an item of sentimental value in your designated area might also serve as an anchor, drawing a spirit to its energy. Following the political phase is the war phase, where conflicts are resolved in contested provinces. If two or more non-allied players have figures in a province, a battle ensues. Players secretly bid their coins on 4 war advantages: seppuku, take hostage, hire ronin, and imperial poets. The player with the highest bid for each advantage wins its effect. The player with the most force after advantages wins the battle, claiming the province token and earning valuable victory points. Finally, remember the importance of respect and clear boundaries. Always maintain a polite and respectful demeanor, even if you sense a presence. Clearly communicate your intentions and when you wish the interaction to conclude. It is vital to establish these limits for your comfort and safety. Before ending your session, express gratitude to any spirit that may have responded to your invitation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.